I am on the Norwegian Joy, and I wanted to give you guys a tour of the family suite. This is room 10533, and we have 5 people in this room. So normally when you walk in through your front door, you're going to see the couch. They have made this for my daughter, who's 12 years old, and she sleeps in here, and she seems very content. She has the TV. This looks like just a gray screen, like it's not working. Guess what? It's working just fine. It is that gray today. We are on our 8th day, and this is a C day. It's a full C day, and that's what we've got. So kind of a gray, gloomy day, but it didn't stop my daughters from going up to the jacuzzi, and they're sitting up there and enjoying their time. And now I have Erin actually filming, so thank you very much, Erin. And so I just wanted to kind of give you the feel for this. This space we have satin here. Over here is a table. You'll see our paintings are drying. We did a painting class earlier, but we can sit at this table. Usually the kids will have their snacks set out here. You know all those hooks that I tell you guys to bring? I'm not lying when I say this. We keep all of our key cards on our hooks. My husband keeps his hat. We keep a wet bag. We've got our umbrellas, our sunglasses. I even brought one for our binoculars. My kids have them in their rooms as well. So yeah, this is the space. You have a nice little coffee maker, tons of storage. You guys are not going to be without storage. This is a full closet. We have some suitcases in there, drawers underneath the TV, which are absolutely awesome. So very big drawers. So my daughter, who's sleeping out here, is really happy. And excuse the mess. This is lived in, guys. This is what it looks like. But all right, I'm going to take you into where Erin and Lennon sleep. This, I'm going to turn on this light, Erin. It's a little bit dark. Maybe so folks can actually see a little bit. Oh, sorry, guys. All right, so this is their room. Generally, the bed is the only thing here, and then this bed is folded up into the ceiling. But because Lennon is sleeping here, they've got the bunks set up with the ladder. So this space has been wonderful for them. Again, tons of storage. All of this bank of drawers right here, right over here, full bank of drawers. So they each took 3 drawers. They have the little vanity area, which it's very cute. They pull in the chair from the outside and everyone sits and does their makeup. Over here is a closet, and again, full closet right here. The bathroom, I actually think, if you can get in here, Erin, a little bit, I actually think this bathroom is a really generous size. You have the sink. They have all their toiletries laid out. Again, this is 3 girls in this space, and they're able to keep it fairly organized. They got their bathing suits hanging as they should, and then their shower, which you guys know why I love Norwegian. I hate a plastic shower curtain. So we've got the glass, which I love. So yeah, this is that secondary bedroom. Now I'll take you guys over to the master and show you what that looks like. This cabin, I think it's tremendous. I think it's absolutely huge. For a family of 5, we have been completely comfortable, no issues at all. You've got the 2 nightstands. I love my vanity. I always have all my stuff laid out. It kind of drives, I'm sure, my husband a little bit crazy because it's probably a little bit messy, but it works. The storage in here is wonderful. Erin, if you want to pan over to those closets, we both have our closet spaces, and I get 2 of these, which I'm an overpacker. And look, it's empty. This whole side is totally empty. Totally empty, and I'm an overpacker. So, yeah, that is kind of what we've got for the storage. We both have our nightstands. Erin, does this thing open or no? It does not. Okay, so it comes with a little tabletop. So if you wanted to put and make it a table, you could. And then in the bathroom, yeah, you guys, 2 bathrooms in this room. So if you guys are traveling with little kids, you get a tub in here. Aaron will pan over and show that to you. I mean, I would have loved to have had a tub when my kids were little. Don't show my underwear. So, and then you've got the space, double sink, double vanity, lots of storage drawers in here. I keep all of our medications in here, extras of some stuff I have, some cleaning supplies. You guys know me, always with the toilet spray. And then I also keep the Lysol spray in here as well. So absolutely wonderful space. I think this is, even if we had one more, we could easily fit 6 in here because they would take that bed out in the other room and make it a full. So 2 small kids could definitely sleep in there in that space. Yeah, I have absolutely 0 complaints about this, except for there's no balcony. And yes, it's nice to have that picture window, that picture TV. It doesn't do the same thing that a balcony would. And we're in Alaska, so anytime we wanted to see Glacier Bay or any of that, we were out on the main public areas, which was fine. It was absolutely fine, but I would certainly, that's my only complaint, is this does not have a balcony. But for an inside room and for a size that holds the whole family, it is absolutely wonderful. I have 0 complaints. Norwegian did it right. Good job, Norwegian. All right, guys. This was your cabin tour of 10533. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next cruise.